What are you doing? It's so small, the space. Look at your sister. Look at your sister. What are you doing? Yeah, you're sleepy and she disturbed you, right? Oh, Luna, say sorry to your sister. Say sorry to her. You see, she's sleepy and you came here to lie down. Shh. Say sorry to her. Oh, see? Look at her, guys. Look at her. She's going to squeeze her body. You squeeze your body again. Mag-sorry ka kasi. Mag-sorry ka kay Lola. Look at Lola. Aww. White hair talagang baby ko, guys. Oh, na-sleep ikaw dyan. Disturb naman si Luna. No. Luna, mag-sorry ka kasi. Ayaw pa niya mag-sorry, guys, oh. Hello. Oh, okay na. No more na. It's okay. Sleep na ikaw ulit, ha? Sleep na ulit. Ay, so sweet naman, eh.